If you want to speak English but could not make sentences, then this video is for you. Today, we learn 60 daily use English sentences that we use every day. Learn 60 daily use English sentences for spoken English practice. This video is perfect for beginners who want to improve communication skills and speak English confidently. English speaking practice, beginner to fluent. 60 daily use English sentences for beginners. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Usa. My name is Usa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going home. I am going home. Please sit down. Please sit down. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Open the door. Open the door. Close the window. Close the window. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Give me some water. Give me some water. I am tired. I am tired. Do not worry. Do not worry. Be careful. Be careful. Come here. Come here. Go there. Go there. I understand. I understand. I do not understand. I do not understand. Please repeat it. Please repeat it. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. Can you help me? Can you help me? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I am sorry. I am sorry. No problem. No problem. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am studying English. I am studying English. I like this book. I like this book. This is very easy. This is very easy. This is difficult. This is difficult. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come back. Come back. Let's go. Let's go. I am ready. I am ready. Wait for me. Wait for me. Let us start. Let us start. I am busy now. I am busy now. Call me later. Call me later. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Jharkhand. I live in Jharkhand. What time is it? What time is it? It is too late. It is too late. I am learning English. I am learning English. Practice every day. Practice every day. Never give up. Never give up. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you again. See you again. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment if it is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.